Finding a product that actually works on Amazon is a lot harder than it looks. You can spend weeks researching ideas that seem solid only to launch them and realize the demand isn't there. The competition is stronger than you expected, or the margins just don't make sense. I went through that cycle more times than I'd like to admit. I wasn't short on effort, I just didn't have a clean way to validate ideas before committing to them. That's what pushed me to start using Helium 10 as part of my product research process, and after relying on it while testing and launching products, I've gotten a pretty clear sense of where it helps, where it saves time, and where it can feel like more than you actually need. So in this video, I want to walk you through how Helium 10 fits into the real product research workflow, what tools actually matter, how the pricing works, and who it realistically makes sense for. Okay, so Helium 10 launched in 2015 and has become one of the most widely used tools among Amazon FBA sellers. At its core, it's a software suite built around product research, keyword data, listing optimization, and performance tracking. And hey, if you're thinking about trying Helium 10, you can use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout to get 10% off of all their plans forever. Now, when you sign up for Helium 10, you get access to a full set of tools depending on the plan that you choose. These cover everything from finding product ideas to researching keywords and optimizing listings. The first tool I recommend starting with is Blackbox, which is also what I personally started with. It's their main product research tool. Instead of scrolling endlessly through Amazon trying to guess what might work, Blackbox basically lets you narrow things down using filters like price range, competition level, and demand. For example, I was able to find a product idea in the kitchen category that had consistent demand without being overly saturated. That product ended up selling better than the ideas I had spent weeks researching manually. Once you have a product idea, you can use X-Ray, which is part of Helium 10's Chrome extension. It gives you estimates on revenue, review counts, pricing, and sales volume for products on a listing page. X-Ray helped me confirm whether a product idea was actually worth pursuing before investing in inventory, instead of relying on surface-level assumptions. Helium 10 also includes keyword research tools like Cerebro and Magnet. Cerebro lets you plug in a competitor's ASIN and see which keywords they're ranking for, along with search volume and competition data. Magnet helps you extend on those ideas and discover additional keyword opportunities you may not have considered. Using these tools helped me uncover keywords that brought in traffic I would have completely missed otherwise. There is also Scribbles and Listing Builder, which make it easier to organize your keywords and build an optimized listing from the start, so you're not constantly rewriting titles and bullet points later. It's a clean way to make sure your listing is structured properly before launching. For tracking performance, the Profits tools help you understand margins and overall product performance in one place. And if you're dealing with seasonal demand, Trendster can be really useful. Last year, I ran out of stock during the holidays and missed out on a lot of potential sales. Trendster helps identify demand trends earlier, which makes it easier to plan inventory more accurately and avoid situations like that. There are plenty of other tools inside Helium 10, but these are the ones that made the biggest difference for me early on. Helium 10 also has a lot of educational resources available. There are tutorial guides and a private Facebook community where sellers share insights and ask questions. If you're new to the platform, those resources help shorten the learning curve. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does it actually cost? Helium 10 has several subscription options. There is a free plan if you want to test things out, but it comes with limited access to most of the tools. It's mainly there to help you get familiar with the platform before committing. Paid plans start with the starter plan at about $40 per month. That gives you access to the core tools, but with lower usage limits. Then the Platinum plan costs just under $100 per month and unlocks most of the core product research, keyword research, and listing optimization tools with higher limits. For more advanced sellers, there is the Diamond plan, which costs roughly $280 per month and includes higher usage limits, more tracked products and keywords, and support for multiple users and connected accounts. On top of the base plans, there are also add-ons that cost extra, tools like Market Tracker 360 for deeper market analysis, and the Elite option for advanced training and community access, which are not included in the standard plans. That said, while Helium 10 is very useful, like just about every product or service, or really just about anything, it's not perfect. For example, there is a learning curve, especially at the beginning. With so many tools available, it can feel overwhelming if you try to use everything at once. What helped me was focusing on just a few tools first and expanding from there. Another thing to keep in mind is that some advanced features aren't included in the standard plans and require add-ons. That can be frustrating if you're expecting everything to be bundled together, but for sellers who need those features, they can still be worth it. So the big question is, would I recommend Helium 10? Absolutely. If you're serious about selling on Amazon or even just getting started, it's a tool that can genuinely help across the entire process, from finding product ideas to researching keywords and optimizing listings. Everything you need is built into one platform, which makes it easier to stay organized and to make informed decisions instead of guessing or dealing with multiple tools. Whether you're launching your first product and want a clear roadmap, or you're already selling and looking to scale with better data insights, Helium 10 is a solid choice. It's helped me avoid a lot of wasted time and unnecessary trial and error, and it's been a worthwhile investment in my business. And just to remind you one more time, if you want to check out Helium 10, there is an affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, so you can check it out. Anyway, that'll be all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, a thumbs up is always appreciated. And of course, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop those down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get to them as soon as possible. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.